Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about cyclone intensity prediction. Abstract. Tropical cyclones are one of the costliest natural disaster globally because of the wide range of associated hazards. Thus, an accurate diagnostic model for tropical cyclone intensity can save the lives and property. There are a number of existing techniques and approaches that diagnose the tropical cyclone wind speed using the satellite data at a given time with varying success. In addition, a visualization portal in the production system is presented that displays the deep learning output and contextual information for end user, one of the first of its kind. This paper presents the deep learning based objective diagnostic estimate of tropical cyclone intensity from infrared satellite image with 13.24 kt root mean square error. Intensity prediction of tropical cyclone is challenging and requires a computational support to increase efficiency, and then best track data of tropical cyclones are used for intensity prediction. This is our project flow diagram. First we are going to start our process with selecting a data set. We have two types of data in this process. One is a CSV file, another one is a satellite images, and then we are going to load our data set into our process by using the pandas library and a CV2 package for reading the data, and then pre-processing means data cleaning. Here we are going to clean the data by resizing the images. Next one is a data augmentation. Data augmentation is used for increase our data, and then a classification. Here we have used the algorithm called BGG16 for predicting the cyclone intensity, and then performance analysis report generation. Here we are going to calculate the root mean square error and the mean square error for the report, and then we are going to calculate the cyclone intensity. Now we are going to see our project output. This is our project output. Our first module is a data selection. Here we have used two type of data. One data is a CSV file where it contains image name and its intensity, and then another one is satellite images for intensity prediction. And then data pre-processing means cleaning the data set. Here we are going to clean our data set. As we have images, we are going to resize the image into same format. And then data augmentation is a technique of artificially increasing the training set by creating the modified changes to the data set, or using a deep learning to generate new data points. That is, we are going to increase our data set. As we have less number of image, we are going to increase our data set using the data augmentation. And then we are going to implement a BGG16 algorithm. BGG means Visual Geometric Group. It is the standard deep convolution neural network architecture with multiple layers. Deep refers to the number of layers with the BGG16, and then we are going to constrain 16 layers or more. We can also generate more than 16 layers. BGG net architecture incorporates with the most important convolution neural network. It consists of small filters to check our data set. Here we have created the four type of layers. One is convolution 2D, max pooling 2D, flatten and dense. In that four layers we have created the more number of neurons. Now I am going to explain the concept of convolution 2D layer. It is a kernel in which the 2D layer slides over the 2D input, performing an element wise multiplication. It is used to multiply our data, and then max pooling 2D is help for calculating the max pooling operation and calculates the large number of value in each patch. And then flatten, it is used to convert our output convolution layer into the single one-dimensional vector that can be used for input for the dense layer. And then dense layer is used to create the number of neurons. This is our model summary based upon the layer, and then we have given the 50 epochs. Epochs means total number of iteration, that is we are going to evaluate our data 50 times, and then this is the input data, and then this is pre-processed data. At last this is the our output. We are predicted our probability based upon the cyclone intensity with a given image and our datas.